beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. So as you could tell from the title, we have an unboxing to do. Another unboxing. I was just finishing up my reality TV review, and the UPS man rang the bell and he came with a package that I ordered, and I just wanted to open it on camera and show it to you. It's another collection. It's another item to my handbag collection. So this item is a tiny crossbody handbag. It's from Kate Spade. And how I came about it is I purchased something from Kate Spade, and then they got my phone number and they started texting me. I'm sure with everyone, you know, texting is one of the new ways to go with promotion. So they texted me that they have a bag on sale. It's called Kaylee. And it's they have what's called a surprise sale. So I think it's a one-day sale that they do. It's the items are marked down really low, and it's a final sale. That items are not returnable. So if you want to get it, you have to make sure that you are not going to return it. So they sent over this bag. I fell in love with it. The pictures, they had multiple colors. And I was going between the color that I have, a bluish color, and what's called a grape color, which is like kind of pastel yellowish bluish gray. It was nice, but that was already sold out. They had the regular black one. I have enough small crossbody black bags, so I'm like, all right, let me go with this particular color. So like I said, it just came in. I opened the box a little bit, of course, but it is still in the wrapper. So they have it right here. The original price of this bag is $239. Yes, this little bag, $239. And because it's from Kate Spade, New York, I'm guessing that's why it was so much. And it was marked down to $59. Sounds better than saying $60. So it was marked down to $59. So I got it because I'm like, this is a bag I could use for years to come. It could be in my collection, and if my niece likes it when she's 8 years old now, when she gets to be a teenager and she's into my things, you know, this is one of the things that she liked, and I'll hand it down to her because it's a designer. As you know, designer bags, they get better in value as the years go on. So let's go ahead and unwrap it so you could see what this bag is like. I'm excited. So it comes in this nice plastic case, and then within that plastic is a tissue, or that probably tissue. Like I said, it's from Kate Spade. Kate Spade bag. Ooh, the big reveal. Isn't the color beautiful? Oh, it kind of matched my nails. I didn't even realize. Isn't the color beautiful? This color is called winter green, and the leather is smooth leather. I know sometimes they have the pebble leather, but this is the smooth leather. And as you see, the hardware is gold. I mean, they have the zipper on top and it's going over. Let's take off all of this that's wrapping the strap, because as I told you, this is not returnable. So take all these things off. Okay. And it is a crossbody with an adjustable strap. Okay, so that's off. Now let's take this little piece off right here. Just pull it right off. And as you can see, it has a small gold buckle, and the holes have a... So depending on how long you want it across your body, you could adjust it with these holes. I'm going to try it on so you could see. So this is the shape. It's called the dome shape. And it is smooth leather, and as you see, it has the Kate Spade logo, and it is it's embossed into the leather. That's how they say it, embossed, right? You know, some have it raised where you have everything just sitting on top, but this is embossed into the leather. Let's take off this little wrap off. I just love gold trim on anything. As you can see, that's all that gold and sparkly. So this is gold trim, and let's take this off. Okay, why is this the hardest to do? I want to see on the inside if there's an inside pocket. So, of course, they put these paper in to keep the shape of the bag. I'm going to put it back in until I'm ready to use it. And comes with the little gel packet to keep things fresh. Ooh, inside, this is what inside looks like. And it has an inside zipper pocket, so for even more security, has an inside zipper pocket where you could fit more. And this, I believe, is, you know, it's like a little quick bag to throw on and go shopping and stuff, and you're not carrying too much. It's enough to fit your makeup, your cell phone. I'm recording on my cell phone right now, so I can't put it in there. You put the lip gloss, a little perfume, just, you know, little things to run a quick errand and be back in the house. So let's try it on and see what it looks like. I'm gonna move you back a little bit. You might pick up some other things. The camera might pick up some other things, but hey, it's what it is. Okay, so let me just move you back a little bit. Uh-oh, that means you're gonna see my bottom. Business up top, party at the bottom. Okay, straighten up the camera a little. You can tell that I'm in the kitchen recording now, right? Because you see the refrigerator and some other stuff. All right, that's the best I could do. You got the refrigerator handle showing, whatever. We're in the kitchen. And let's try it on. So I did not adjust the strap at all. Let me just put it on across the body. Okay, I'm gonna have to adjust because this is way too much up underneath. Let me adjust the strap a little bit. Let me try and move back. The chair is in the way. Let me move the chair. Oh, the chair even matches the bag. Okay, so don't pay attention to the bottom area. I'm recording at home. So this is how it's sitting on me. And I am 5'8". And this is how it's sitting on me. Let's adjust it to see. I have two more to get it longer. I have two more holes to play with. Actually 3. I'm gonna put it to the very bottom and see, it's gonna become a little bit longer. So now this is at the last hole on the strap, and see, it's sitting right on my my hip. So that's where it would sit on me. And like I said, I'm putting this on so you can actually see the size of it. And it's just a little crossbody to just throw on and run about and do your business. So that is what my new handbag look like. That's going in my collection. And I love the color. I love the color. I don't think I have a handbag this color, but I love the color. And it's so easy to use. So there it is. The Kate Spade Kaylee handbag, originally $239 on Kate Spade website, but got it on sale for $59 for a one-day sale, and I'm not sure if they're gonna bring it back, but I will leave the link to this bag in the description below. So if you're interested in seeing if they have more, you could go ahead and shop it. Oh no, not my new bag. So there you have it, guys. This is my new handbag. I am in love with it. I love the color, I love the shape, love the size, and this is going in my collection. Great color, great summer color, and you could use it year after year. So this is my handbag. So thank you for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe so you can see more unboxing videos over the time, and leave a comment if you wish. What do you think of this bag? Do you like it? Are you interested in getting it? Do you even like the Kate Spade brand? You know, it's very minimal. You know, you don't see all this, a whole bunch of stuff all over it. It's very simple, and that's my style. Simple and luxury. Simple and luxurious. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, be sure to take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.